There's a huge difference between cheap goji berries and the ones that actually do something. Today I'll show you the best goji berries I've found, and they're sold on Amazon. In the next few minutes I'll explain what goji berries actually are, the benefits people notice, why I picked one specific Amazon product as my go-to, and the easiest way to use them so you get results. Stick around until the end to figure out which bag I trust and why. Disclaimer, this is for information purposes only and is not medical advice. What are goji berries? Goji berries, or wolfberries, are the small red fruit of the Lycium plant. They've been eaten for centuries in China, originating in Ningxia, and later spreading to the Himalayan foothills of Tibet, both as daily food and a tonic. Traditionally tossed into porridges, teas, and soups, they were part of people's everyday diet, not just a modern trend. Today you'll find them dried, powdered, or in teas, but the origin and processing make a big difference in quality and potency. Alright, just before I reveal the goji berries I actually use, let's see what's inside them and what people really notice. Nutrition and benefits. In a handful of dried gojis, you're getting mostly natural carbs and fibre, a bit more protein than any other dried fruits, plus some vitamins and trace minerals. The standout compounds are zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that concentrates in the retina, a mix of antioxidants and unique lithium polysaccharides that researchers keep an eye on. What people actually report is simple and consistent: steadier energy when they swap sugary snacks for gojis, gentler digestion from the fibre, a gradual improvement in skin clarity for some users, and subtle support for eye comfort if you spend long hours on screens. It's not instant, it's a small, regular habit that adds up over time. Practical tip: dried gojis concentrate sugar, so keep portions fairly small, roughly a tablespoon, so about 10 to 20 gram. So, those are the benefits. Now I'll show you the exact gojis I buy, and the 3 reasons I picked them over cheaper, dusty packs. The best goji berries I've found. These are the goji berries I use. 7 Hills Whole Foods raw organic goji berries, 1 kilogram. Here's why I buy this bag, quick and simple. Number 1, origin. Sourced from Ningxia province in China, a region long associated with high quality gojis and mineral rich alkaline soils. Origin matters because soil and growing conditions affect flavour and nutrient balance. Number 2, gentle processing. They use low temperature, raw processing under 45 degrees C. That keeps the berries brighter in colour and less cooked tasting than oven dried alternatives, and it helps preserve delicate nutrients. Number 3, purity and transparency. It's single ingredient, just goji berries, with organic certification and clear labelling. The brand also highlights testing for heavy metals and mycotoxins. That kind of transparency isn't guaranteed on every listing, and it's a big reason I trust this pack for daily use. They come in a resealable 1 kilogram bag, so they're great for regular use and they last. The texture is bright and chewy, not sugary or crumbly. If you want the exact link, I've put it at the top of the description. Now that you know which gojis I trust, the next question is how to actually use them. So let me show you the easiest methods. Ways to use goji berries. I swapped gojis for raisins. They're more nutrient dense, more flavourful, and have a much lower glycemic index. I keep it simple. I just sprinkle a teaspoon on my fruit every morning, but you can do a tablespoon if you want. It's an easy habit and it adds nutrients and benefits over time. Quick ways to use them. Raw as a snack. Eat a handful as is or after a 5 to 10 minute soak. Great for snacking or tossed into trail mix, porridge and grains. Stir a few in near the end of cooking to keep some texture. Oatmeal, rice bowls, cooked grains, granola and energy bars. Fold into granola or no-bake bars for chew and sweetness. Bacon. Add at the end of baking or in no-bake recipes. Heat will mellow colour and flavour. Tea. Steep a tablespoon in hot water. Drink the tea, then eat the softened gojis. Smoothies. Blend a small amount. A little goes a long way because they're sweet. Savoury. Toss a few into rice pilaf, salads, or stir fries at the last minute for a bright, sweet contrast. Again, a portion reminder, a small handful, so about 10 to 20 grams, is usually enough. Start small, be consistent, and see what works for you. Quick recap. Gojis are an ancient, nutrient-dense fruit, and for everyday use, I trust 7 Hills Whole Foods. For origin, gentle processing, and product transparency. Try 1 tablespoon on your breakfast for a week, and notice any changes. Energy, digestion, or maybe your skin. Drop a sentence in the comments about what you tried. I read and reply to every comment. Again, if you want the exact goji berries I use and trust, then the link is top of the description. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe to keep learning. If you know anyone that's interested in this kind of content, please share this to them, as it really helps me out. If you're trying to improve your health, you will like one of the videos in one of the playlists on screen now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive, even when it seems everything is against you.